In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the country on your Amazon account. Whether you're relocating to a new country or just visiting for an extended period, it's crucial to have your Amazon account aligned with your current location to enjoy the best services available. Now, let's dive into the steps to make this transition smooth and easy. First, we need to head over to the Manage Your Content and Devices section on Amazon. You can do this by logging into your Amazon account using a web browser. Once you're logged in, look for the Accounts and Lists menu, often found in the upper right corner. Hover over it, and you will see a drop-down menu. Click on Manage Your Content and Devices. This page is your central hub for managing all the content associated with your account, so it's an essential tool for managing your digital experience with Amazon. Next, we'll be accessing your preferences. Once you're on the Manage Your Content and Devices page, look for the Preferences tab. This tab holds a variety of settings and options that allow you to customize your Amazon experience. Click on it, and it will expand to show several options related to your account preferences, such as language settings, notification preferences, and the important one for us today, country, region settings. Now let's focus on changing the country, region settings. Within the Preferences tab, locate the section labeled Country Region Settings. Here, you'll see an option to change your current country. Click on this, and a new window will open, prompting you to select a new country or region from a provided list. It's important to note that this list includes most countries where Amazon operates and offers services. At this point, you'll want to select your new country or region. Simply scroll through the list until you find the country you are moving to or currently residing in, and select it. This change will update your country setting and allow you to access content and services specific to that region. An essential step in this process is entering a valid address. Amazon requires this to verify your new location and to enable region-specific options. Enter the address details accurately. This includes the street address, city, postal code, and any other relevant details for the new country. Make sure the information is correct to avoid any future issues with orders or deliveries. Finally, after entering your address, you'll see an option to click on Update. Clicking this button will save all the changes you've just made, updating your account settings to reflect your new country or region. Remember, this might take a few minutes to process, and you may need to refresh the page or log out and back in to see fully updated content. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed the country on your Amazon account. Enjoy exploring what Amazon has to offer in your new location, and don't hesitate to revisit these steps if you need to make further adjustments in the future.